Hello friends, welcome to my channel An Average Joe. Today I'm going to discuss some amazing facts about the Indian Ocean. Let's get started. Friends, the Indian Ocean has the world's second largest trench, which is known as the Java Trench. The Java Trench, also known as the Sunda Trench, spreads from Sumatra to the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Friends, Indian Ocean is full of seamounts. Seamounts are extinct submarine volcanoes. They are mostly located near Seychelles and Reunion in the central Indian basin. The Indian Ocean was formed during the disintegration and subsequent collision of the ancient southern supercontinents Gondwana land and Eurasia. The ocean was formed around 36 million years ago. Friends, did you know that Indian Ocean receives huge river runoffs approximately 6,000 kilometers from large rivers like the Ganges and the Brahmaputra? Did you know that the water of Indian Ocean has a high concentration of hydrocarbons, both in dissolved and floating forms? It also has maximum negative water balance, and both the world's highest and lowest water salinity levels have been found in the Indian Ocean. Isn't it an amazing fact, guys? Friends, did you know that Indian Ocean covers almost 20% of the Earth's total surface? The ocean makes a huge contribution to the water load of the world. The Indian Ocean is home of an underwater mountain range named the 90 East Ridge. The 90 East Ridge divides the eastern and western regions of the Indian Ocean. The name of the mountain range is thus because it is located at the center of the eastern hemisphere along with the 90th meridian. Friends, did you know that Indian Ocean connects four continents, namely Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica? Moreover, it joins 18 countries in Asia, 16 in Africa, and more than 57 island groups. Friends, what is probably one of the little known fact about the Indian Ocean is that it bears many tectonic plate boundaries, including the Rodriguez Triple Point, where African, Indo-Australian, and Antarctic continental plates merge. Friends, today we come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.